My experience with technology venturing into physical space was always very good, because when we started Cyberia, we put this massive, bulky, quite ugly PCs in a beautiful space, and it was a bit jarring for the first couple of hours because it just didn't look right. But what it was doing, what the computers were doing, providing people to opportunity to connect to their friends and family, the bulkiness, the size of it, the grayness of it completely disappeared. So we got over it in day one. And after that, it was amazing experience. But in some areas, it is difficult. One example I've noticed, even a few days ago, we were in a very nice, expensive restaurant celebrating friends' birthday, and next to me there was a chap with a bottle of wine and a massive tablet. He was having a Skype session with his girlfriend, giggling his head away. She was giggling. I mean, the whole thing was really noisy, because when you're talking to the screen, you don't realize how noisy you are. I mean, it was incredible. We were all laughing, actually, because we know we are of the same ilk. You know, I would be doing that probably if it wasn't him. But I've noticed that it will take some negotiation, and I don't begrudge him having a date on Skype by himself in a nice restaurant, fair enough, but I think there is an element of negotiation how you actually do it, because he was yelling and laughing and he completely forgot that we're all around and all can listen to it. So I think we are at the stage where technology is coming out again even more so, and trying to negotiate the seat at our very much dining table. So I think those will be difficult issues, and I'm sure a lot of slightly older generation will object to it. But I don't. I think we will find a way. We always do. Even now when you go on trains, we have quiet carriages. We have put in place limitations and restrictions that are more collectively minded, because I think technology in a public space require us more and more to have a sense of digital neighborhood. That we are very good managing physical neighborhoods. When I was brought up, we had no law, but we had sense of neighborhood, and we were quite strictly following the unspoken laws. And I think we are figuring it out in the digital physical overlap, what laws we need to follow to protect ourselves from wrongdoings. And it is emerging. It's a bit painful, but it's emerging.